Shit.
Yeah, Mike.
Push out. You just keep trying to pull out. That bitch. Nice.
Grab it. Tough, tough, tough. Tough, tough, tough.
Oh, he's over here.
No, he's right
I
here.
can see him right here.
Yeah, he's right here on this side.
Looking here. Yeah.
He's coming around that pylon.
Watch yourself. Watch yourself.
Oh, shit.
Come on, Mike.
Did he come back around?
Get that out of there. He's wrapped right around it. Got him?
Got him?
Yeah.
What do you want to do with him?
Here. Need help?
Just take a picture of him and put him back out. I guess that's all we can do with it.
I got about 10 guys here. Lift them.
Okay, guys.
Here we go.